have the victim card to play. Yeah, I was right there with my love and my care. When I said I needed space, you said it ain't fair. I had to escape a six-headed snake. Your family's a nightmare. Ain't it funny how you think you really had me under your control. Ain't it funny how you think you really knew how to stole my role. Ain't it funny that I played it like a chess game, knew just how to move. Ain't it funny I'm the last one left, and I got nothing left to prove. No, I got nothing left to prove. I'm lucky that you never fell in love, and I never had to find out what you're really capable of. Yeah, you pray to above, but real forgiveness is doing the work, you're showing up. But you got good at projecting, believing that you're ascending without actually spending any time on trial. Oh, go cry me a river. Cause ain't it funny how you think you really had me under your control. Ain't it funny how you think you really knew how to stole my role. Ain't it funny that I played it like a chess game, knew just how to move. Ain't it funny I'm the last one left, and I got nothing left to prove. No, I got nothing left to prove. Had me under your control. Ain't it funny how you think you really knew how to stole my role. Ain't it funny that I played it like a chess game, knew just how to move. Ain't it funny I'm the last one laughing, and I got nothing left to prove. Ain't it funny how you think you really had me under your control. Ain't it funny how you think you really knew how to stole my role. Ain't it funny that I played it like a chess game, knew just how to move. Ain't it funny I'm the last one standing, and I got nothing left to prove.